your natural remedy advisor. I'm here to talk with you today about how to use oregano essential oil as a disinfectant. Oregano essential oil is a great disinfectant. It inhibits microorganisms that can cause illness. And my favorite way of using oregano essential oil as a disinfectant is to create a disinfecting spray. And this is really simple. Basically, you just add 1 cup of water, or actually it depends on the size of your container, but enough water to fill your container. And then like 15 to 20% concentration of oregano essential oil. I'm going to add 8 drops to my 2-ounce container. Close it up in your spray bottle. Shake it up. And it's ready to use. It's that simple. How do you use it? Well, it's great. You can carry it around with you, or you can just keep it around the house. You can spray it on things like steering wheels, shopping carts, or how about disinfecting that cell phone? Do not spray it directly onto electronics, so you'll want to spray it onto a cloth of some sort and just wipe it down. I'm Desiree, and this is using oregano essential oil as a disinfectant.